Hello, neighbor family. Commodore Boone here. Want to wish you and your family and everybody in the world a happy new year. Hope it's better than last year. So take care. We'll see you down the stream. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hello, everyone. This is Captain Mark aboard the USS Crytex. Our crew and myself would like to wish everyone a happy new year. And remember, it's a new year, so you have a clean slate to start over and make things right.
Hello, everybody. I'm Officer Green. I will be on the USS Ajax this coming year. But you'll be seeing me now and then at the communication station. So, I want to wish you a happy new year to everybody out there. Take care. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm Whoopi. I am aboard USS Ajax. Come and see me, and we'll see what I do on the ship. Ha 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 ha! Happy New Year, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you very soon. Ha ha! Oh, can't wait for the time. Oh, here comes my mascot.